Picture this, a cluttered desk with papers, cables, and random items scattered everywhere. Now imagine transforming that chaos into an organized, stress-free workspace. Ready to boost your productivity? Let's dive in. First, understand the benefits. An organized desk enhances focus, reduces stress, and increases efficiency. Visualize a messy desk gradually transforming into a tidy and functional workspace. To get started, gather your materials: storage bins, desk organizers, cable ties, and labels. Display each item neatly to see what you'll need. Begin by clearing everything off your desk. Sort items into 3 categories: keep, discard, and relocate. Watch as the clutter disappears, making way for clarity. Next, clean your desk surface. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe away dust and debris, ensuring a spotless foundation for your new setup. Now, organize your supplies. Group similar items like pens, notebooks, and electronics together. Utilize desk organizers and storage bins to create designated spots for each item. Moving on to cables, use cable ties and clips to manage and hide them efficiently. Label each cable for easy identification. Finally, personalize your space. Add photos, plants, or a vision board to inspire and motivate you. Remember, maintaining this setup is key. Regularly declutter and review your desk arrangement. Conclude with a scene of you working efficiently at your newly organized desk, feeling productive and stress-free. Emphasize that keeping an organized workspace is simple and rewarding.